Good day. I am Renz Joal A. Borais from Group E, Bsit 2D Non-STEM, and we are going to discuss and demonstrate to you our project on operating system and concepts, which is the round-robin CPU scheduling algorithm. Now, we are going to the objectives of our program.
And objectives on our project are to create a program on round-robin CPU scheduling algorithm and to create a program on round-robin CPU scheduling algorithm that is capable of reading inputs from the user such as number of process, arrival time, burst time, and quantum time. And to create a program on round-robin CPU scheduling algorithm that is capable of generating data table and Gantt chart. And to create a program in round-robin CPU scheduling algorithm that is capable of computing the average turnaround time and average waiting time of the processes. Last, to create a program on round-robin CPU scheduling algorithm with the use of C programming language.
Hi, good day everyone. I am Bantaculo and I am going to discuss the scope and the limitation of the program that we created, which is the round-robin CPU scheduling algorithm. The number of processes in the system that we created has the minimum of 1 process and the maximum of 8 processes. The arrival time of the system has a minimum of 1 millisecond and the maximum of 10 milliseconds, while in the burst time, it has a minimum of 1 millisecond and the maximum of 10 milliseconds. And for the quantum time, it has a minimum of 3 milliseconds and a maximum of 10 milliseconds. And that's all for the scope and the limitation of our system.
And now, I will demonstrate to you the round-robin CPU scheduling algorithm program that we develop.
As you can see in the screen, that is the first thing you will see after you compile and run the codes. Here you can see the program asks the user to enter number of process. So I will input 5. Then after that, the program asks again the user to input process number. Since it's the first process, I will input 1. Then after that, the program asks again the user to enter the arrival time of the process 1. So I will input 1. Then after that, the program will ask again the user to enter the burst time of the process 1. So I will input 3. After you input the process number, the arrival time, and the burst time of a one process, you will input now the process number of the second process. Since I've inputted here 5 number of process, I will input process number, arrival time, and burst time of process 5 times. So I will input 2 because it's the second process. Then I will enter the arrival time of process 2. I will input 2. Then the burst time of process 2, I want to input 2. And after that, input process number 3 since it's the third process. Arrival time of process 3, 3. And the burst time of process 3, I want the burst time to be 4. Then input process number 4 since fourth process. Enter arrival time of process 4. So I will input 4. The burst time of process 4, I will input 2. And this is the last process, which is the fifth process. So I will input 5. Enter the arrival time of process 5. I will input 5. Enter the burst time of process 5. So I will input 3. Then after you inputted all the number of process, arrival time, and burst time of the process, the program will ask you to enter the quantum time. So I will input 3 quantum time, then press enter. As you can see here, the program generate a Gantt chart. Here is the Gantt chart. Also, the program generate a data table. This is the data table. Then, the program also generate the average turnaround time and the average waiting time. Then, the program will ask you, would you like to try again? If you want to try again, just input 1 and press enter, and the program will start again and you can input another data. But if you want to exit or terminate the program, just input 0 and press enter. Then the program will terminate it. Since I don't want to try another data, I will input 0 and press enter. Here, you can see that the program is terminated. So this is the demonstration of the round-robin CPU scheduling algorithm.
And this concludes our discussion and demonstration of our program on round-robin CPU scheduling algorithm. Thank you for watching. Bye!